sometimes these guys are long, but I've already pre-cut mine so that we can attach, so that this can slip in like that, and then attach to here, to the, to here, to the side. Step 1, tighten this guy on first. This guy goes into here, like that. Okay, so we're gonna do this guy loose.
Well, probably not.
Pull this back a little bit further. There we go. So this has a built-in gasket right here. Oops, sorry. Built-in gasket right here. Rubber. So now we just have to put this guy on.
Yeah, Lord knows Connor's a different mix.
Try that again.
That's never ending.
Oh, wait. Almost forgot this. Need this guy. This guy up here.
You can still take it apart and be careful about it. You know, bring up the boxes and
So now we can tighten these, because these are not going to adjust any further. Now it's built from the back of the wall to here.
They're watching video. So textures like
Let's put this together first.
there's a certain program that
That's it, we're done.